Hi, this is Gary from Teacher Transformation, and this is the 19th Smartsheet quick tip on why index match formulas are superior to VLOOKUP. Okay, so in this video I'm going to give you some explanation as to why index match is far superior to VLOOKUP formulas within Smartsheet, and Excel for that matter. So as you can see here, just had some dummy data, product code, product description, stock units, cost and total cost, and I need to bring in a product category. Now I have the product category in a separate file, these two columns here, and I'll just do a very simple VLOOKUP. Reference my sheet, highlight my range, give it my column reference, so the second column along, and then false. And as you can see, it's brought back the product category. I'm going to do an index match now, and then I'm going to show you some flexibility within the index match that VLOOKUP doesn't have. So equals index, reference the sheet. So what do I want to bring back into that cell? I want to bring the product category, and then what am I matching against? So I want to match the product code against the product code, and then how do I want to sort it? Just put a sort zero search type, and there you go. So it's brought back exactly the same result, which is to be expected. However, let me just save that now. If I go back to my host sheet, for example, and I move that column and save that again, and if I go back here, you can see that there's a no match against the VLOOKUP, but there's still a correct match against the product category. And again, if I go back and put that back again, but then insert a column, call it index, and just 1, 2, 3, 4, and just save that. And again, if I refresh this page now, you can see that it's brought the 1 back and not the actual product category. So VLOOKUPs are limited. They only work left to right. It's a much more intensive formula, especially if you have a large data set. So if we had a large data set, for example, like this, we have lots of columns, you're highlighting the entirety of the data set. And also then you're having to count how many columns you have to make sure you bring back the right column. So that's not great, and obviously it relies on specific column references, as I said. So we want to bring back temp, and we're using this as a unique reference, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bring back the 7th column. So it's not that simple. Whereas index match formulas are dynamic. They don't really care where the data is in what order within this sheet. You can move it around, it works right to left, left to right, not a problem. You can add columns, it doesn't affect the formula whatsoever. It's less intensive than a VLOOKUP because you're only looking up effectively 2 columns within any data set. And it's also more versatile. Like I say, you can add in new columns, you can move stuff around, and it still works. One other benefit to index match is something called index match. So that's where you can actually match against more than one criteria. So I've actually got a formula in here which I've written already, and I'm just going to take the if error out so you can actually see what it's doing. So you can see it's come back as a no match, and what we're doing is we're indexing. So again, we're looking to bring back the storage, the product category, based on it matching both the product code and the color. So as you can see here, the color is green and the color in here is brown. So if I change this to brown, you can see it brings it back. So again, index match, you can have index match, index match, where you can sort of link to more than one criteria, which makes it much more versatile, much more powerful than a VLOOKUP. So there you have it. In my opinion, index match far superior to a VLOOKUP formula within Smartsheet. Thanks for watching. And for further details on our free and paid Smartsheet training courses, please visit the training and events section on our website at www.cheetahtransformation.co.uk. Alternatively, contact us directly on help@cheetahtransformation.co.uk to arrange a call to discuss your requirements further.